Today we're going to talk about cattail.
A good measure of any food scene is the cultural diversity of its food. Take St. Louis, for example. You can find food from all over the world represented here. St. Louis itself can certainly claim to have borne some of its own unique foods. But what about before that? Before there was a food scene, when the land wasn't settled like it is today, and people lived closer to the earth. That's something you probably never thought of, right? The food being eaten by the people in the Ozark region before modern times is kind of like a lost heritage. As diverse as the food scene is here, something would be amiss if native foods, the foods of the Ozark region, weren't somehow represented, celebrated, maybe even elevated. But then again, what is Ozark cuisine? And what would compel someone to build a restaurant around it?
Coming up on Food is Love.